and correct regulations. With better investment, I should say, with better investment climate and policy, business can grow. That in return create more jobs and pay more taxes to the government. With that, finally, government can continuously promote the welfare of the people. Building a better investment climate, sound economic policy, and predictable and stable legal framework, in my view, is an unfinished agenda for the government. In our efforts to elevate economic growth, we must also strengthen our ties within the ASEAN community and the world. Regional cooperation will enhance trade, investment, and connectivity that will allow us to advance our collective strength. With strong regional cooperations, we can also tackle our common global agenda, such as combating global warming, alleviating world poverty, and reducing the negative impact of technological disruptions. In conclusion, once again, I am optimistic of Indonesia's future. The transition to President-elect Prabowo presents a unique chance to redefine our trajectory. In my constructive conversation with Mr. Prabowo, I have a strong belief that the next government, inshallah, will and can do more to enhance our economic growth, to promote people's welfare, and to safeguard our democracy. He has strategic visions, concrete objectives, and relevant agenda that this country is strongly needed in the next 5 to 10 years. Of course, there are always challenges in realizing leaders' visions and policies, but I do believe that there is always a solution to any problem. I thank you.